For this recipe, we're going to be making air fryer mozzarella sticks. I have 8 mozzarella sticks that I am just cutting in half. These are just the regular string cheese sticks that you can buy at the store. Next, I have 2 eggs that I'm just going to crack inside of. I already had 1 tablespoon of water in this cup. And you're just going to mix it. Kind of create like an egg wash, and this is what it will look like. Then I have my breadcrumbs. I have half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, and I have half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And also I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm just gonna mix this together, give it a toss around. And we're going to be dipping the mozzarella sticks in our egg mixture first. And then I have 1/3 of a cup of flour that I'm going to be dipping it into next. And then we're going to dip it back into our egg mixture. And then we are going to coat it in our breadcrumbs. And this step was a little hard to do, but just do your best. It won't be perfect, but just make sure that the mozzarella stick is coated in the breadcrumbs as best as you can. And we're just going to repeat this for all of your mozzarella sticks. Make sure that the egg gets on the mozzarella stick after your flour. That's the most crucial part, so that the crumbs will stick to the egg. Just tossing this around. I kind of had to squeeze the mozzarella stick to make the crumbs stick to it, so that worked if you guys want to try that. And you just want to repeat these steps until all 16 of your sticks are coated in the breadcrumbs. And after we coat these, we are going to be freezing them. I froze them for 30 minutes in my freezer. So you can just place all of these onto a pan. I lined mine with parchment paper, but you don't have to. And we're just going to be putting them all on this pan, and they will go into the freezer for 30 to 40 minutes. After I take them out of the freezer, here they are. I am spraying them down with some olive oil spray, and we're going to be popping them into our air fryer. We are going to cook these in our air fryer for about 5 to 7 minutes on 390 degrees. And probably at the 5-minute mark, you want to check these to make sure that they're not burning. And if they are done at 5 minutes, then go ahead and get them out. And if they need a little more time, then keep them in there for 6 or 7 minutes. And after they are done, I am just adding some sauce for dipping onto this little bowl, and I am adding my cheese sticks. Here they are done. They are super hot at first, and they're the best whenever you eat them right out of the air fryer. So here is what it looks like. The cheese was so melty. This turned out super yummy. This is perfect for an appetizer or anything. If you guys try this recipe, let us know how you like it and follow for more.